Hello and welcome to Medcare Nad Al Sheba. I'm Dr. Chaymae Mouhoub, specialist pediatrician, and today I want to highlight the difference between allergies and asthma, which are common conditions we see in children. Asthma is a chronic condition that affects the lungs. It causes symptoms like coughing, wheezing, and shortness of breath. It can be triggered by very cold or very hot air, exercise, and allergens. On the other hand, allergies are a reaction of our immune system to things like pollen, dust mites, and sometimes some foods. It can create itchy eyes, coughing, running or a blocked nose, and skin rashes. And sometimes it can also trigger asthma attacks. So these two conditions are different, but they can overlap, and the key is early management and diagnosis. Here in Medcare, as pediatricians, we can provide early and accurate treatment for your child.